Hey everyone, App Inventor just slightly changed in their design. So as you can see here, I just created this app and in the left side, you will see the properties option, right? And for now, you can see all the components changed, like maybe the font style changed and they have just changed the style also. As you can see here, whenever you try to change the background color of suppose that button, okay? So let me just try to background color. So that window will appear like this. Like see, it's look very cool and very nice. That's really cool, right? Now let me just try to change the screen background color. So we can see this is the window I look like. Wow, nice. They have changed in the properties style how that will appear. They have added one more button that is called toggle console. And still it doesn't work in my laptop for now. I don't know why. Because this will appear all the tasks that you have done in your app. But it's not working for me for now. Let me know in the comment section this one is working for you in your account or not. Okay. So yeah, this is the basic update they have just updated in App Inventor for now. In the next video, we will talk more about App Inventor, new features and changes. So if you have any doubt related to App Inventor, you can just comment on the video. I'll try to solve your problems. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.